I, Derek, take you, Jordan,
I, Jordan, take you, Derek,
to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health.
to love you and honor you all the days of my life.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make this somewhat short and sweet because we have a long night ahead of us.
Derek and I were even on the wrestling team for a year, but it wasn't until college until Derek and I became lovers. I mean best friends.
Ground's still wet, the sky's still gray.
So I was a few minutes early for my Spanish class in undergrad, and there was one empty seat, and it was beside this one girl who had major RBF, and I was terrified. I was like, I do not want to sit by here, I'm so scared. But at the same time, I was like, I want to be best friends with her.
I actually met Jordan the first time I met Derek as well. That night, Jordan and I spoke one word together, which was hi, and that was about it. Because we weren't really given the chance to talk more because those guys over there were talking trash about Jasper.
When I fall apart,
And how Mount Carmel beat them their senior year in football. That's all I heard.
Anyways, it was the first day of class and I was waiting for stuff to start when I saw a little fellow come walking in with a bright red shirt on. I bet y'all can't guess what bright red sports team he was representing. That's right, Cowboys. Anyways, I had to squeeze that in.
when the waters rise and the levee breaks, through your tear-filled eyes and your hands that shake, darling, I'll be steady when you're at the end of your tired rope. When you're feeling trapped and just need to go, darling, I'll be ready when you fall apart into a million pieces, when you don't know where to start. I'll put you back together. I'll put you back together again. I'll put you back together. I'll put you back together again.
As we celebrate here, this celebration here is ended in your life and sacrament. You go out into the world and share God's love with one another. And it's going to love and serve the Lord and one another.
And I don't know where to start when I forget where my peace is. When you fall apart into a million pieces, when you don't know where to start, I'll put you back together. I'll put you back together again. You put me back together. You put me back together again.
Let us go now to love and serve the Lord and one another. Thanks be to God. It's my honor and my privilege to announce to you Mr. and Mrs. Sutton.
Jordan and Derek, I adore you two and wish you nothing but happiness and joy for your married life together. Let's raise a glass to the couple.
I love you guys.
Lovely Mr. and Mrs. Sutton.
Here's to the Suttons.